Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. Well, I was getting a lot of comments regarding iPhone 10s, that how iPhone 10s is performing on iOS 18.2.1. There were comments that iPhone 10s is having battery draining issue and overheating issue. So I thought, why not make a video regarding iPhone 10s? So over here, this is iPhone 10s and it is running latest iOS 18.2.1. This is the latest iOS for now while I'm shooting this video. So in this video, I will be talking about that how the iOS is running on this device, how the battery is performing, how overall performance is going on, and if there is any sort of issues or not. So without any further delay, we will start with the battery life. Then I will talk about the performance. Then in the end, I will talk about if there are any issues going on. So let's begin with the battery life. I will go to the settings. Let's go to the battery over here. Let the battery stats load over here. Last 10 days. And this is the average screen or time over here of last 10 days. And this is of last 24 hours. This doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna share this day today. And as you can see, I used the phone over here. As you can see, I used more than 50%. It is like almost 70% of usage on this day over here. And I got 2 hours and 31 minutes screen on time where I used different apps like YouTube, Threads, WhatsApp. And if I go to any other day over here, maybe, and I use pretty much same amount of device, battery life almost 75%, and it is almost 3 hours with different applications over here, as you can see. So if I go to this day over here, I used almost 75%, and this time it is insanely higher from the other days. Now, the main reason is this, that this app was running in the background, but for some reason it is showing on screen. It could be a bug or something like that. But if I conclude the battery life, I'm getting a decent battery life. One thing I notice, if I'm continuously using my phone, for example, I'm watching a YouTube, using threads or something like that, it is not consuming that much battery. But when put my phone aside, I'm not using it, it is consuming more battery life. So there is problem going on with battery draining. So if I keep using it, it gives me a really good screen on time. If I don't use it, it doesn't gives me a screen on time and still battery goes down. The best example is day. I use like 50% over here and just 44 minutes screen on time because I didn't use my phone, but still the battery goes down because of the background processes. So battery life is decent, but battery draining is happening and that is causing problem. The next thing I want to talk about is definitely the performance. So for that purpose, I will go to the Geekbench app. I will go to the CPU benchmark over here, CPU history, and this one. This is iOS 18.2.1. As you can see, 3019 on a single core, 3054 on a multi-core. Now this is one of the best scores I get. As you can see, I'm getting higher than the average one. Also over here, I'm getting higher than the average one. So on paper performance is really good. If I also show you the GPU benchmark over here, I got the highest ever GPU benchmark on this device, 9933, while the average one is 8182. So it is way higher than the average. So on paper, performance is amazing. Everything is really good. So far, I'm not facing any huge issues. Touch response issue is still there. That happens sometime. But other than that, it is going fine. So two issues I'm having: battery draining and touch response issue. If you ask me about the overheating, I didn't face overheating at all. It is working perfectly fine. You guys mention in the comments that after using which app you are getting overheating so I can try out that app. Other than that, everything is working fine. So if you're guys facing battery draining, overheating, and some other issues, I also did I also did a video in which I talk about how you can fix these issues. I also apply those things on this device and it is a bit improved. So you can also try out those things. Well, this is all from this video. This was a simple video. I just wanted to give you that how the iPhone 10s is performing on the latest iOS 18.2.1. What are your thoughts about this? How your device is going on? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.